I don't know. I said, it was really funny.
That's just stainless. I like that one. I found that the first year I came here, like 9 years ago.
It was 41 degrees, and so
I think I did it wrong.
coffee. I made my
Oh my God! Sorry! Sorry!
What's in there?
Flames.
Are you afraid of fire?
You don't know my past, sweetie. Oh my God. Did you say, I didn't expect it to like,
That lit really
look!
fast.
I mean, it was, woo!
Oh, I thought you dropped your cell phone in there or something.
Sorry, it's just,
So, yeah,
thanks.
everywhere.
Watch this. Ah!
Well, you might need
You
to
don't
leave.
have a tank hooked up, right?
No.
You might need to leave that open to let the.
She's doing a demo, so she needs to go with what they.
Guys, I seriously think I did. I think I did read the directions because whenever I get anything, I get in bed at night and I read all the directions.
We thought maybe you started the fire with the directions.
But my word. Look, guys, this is Taco Tuesday, Saturday. Everybody's having a really good time and they're all eating. We have wild boar, we have pulled chicken, we have barbecue, we have everything here. Let's go look at the food.
That's organic. That is so good. I've never had it before. I'm gonna hold it for you.
And I got way too much meat. You put that in there. And then one of these.
I got more out of it. That's hilarious. I better check the address this time. You know, because when I just spoke to him, it's sitting me all kinds of stuff. Okay. Yeah, coming back, I'm really like, yeah. And then they bring you all like, and you're like, yeah, but all the way up like,
You can't run from me. I'm coming after you, girl. I am coming after you.
I'll put that in my will.
Is that a banana? Oh, somebody lost glasses.
It's a sweet
I think these are pegsters.
Sweet potato.
here, it just drops off.
Nice. I love
But then you also have this.
Why don't they just freaking make them that way?
that whatever comes off from here drops off here.
Yeah, you get that little
And really, as long as you don't pick your paddle up too high,
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
stay
you just gotta
dry.
remember to keep your elbows next to your side, but
That's
that's the way you
that's
should
what
do
I was
it
doing.
anyway. That's the
And I
appropriate
was
way.
keeping my
Yeah.
paddle down.
Sunday morning. Good morning, everyone. A lot of people have cleared out. That's okay, because look at the hardcore people. Look at this. These women are tough. All right, time for breakfast.
I'm really surprised. I thought she was checking out on us.
I think she's going back.
Oh, is she?
Yeah, I don't think she's staying.
But the thing is, she and I
belly's
are
so
both
better.
so close. It's literally a 20-minute
I
drive.
know.
She's in different directions, but
Maggie.
Maggie's like, oh.
Who are these people? I don't remember them.
Look at her. She can't wait to get to us.
You came back for us! Yay!
So I brought little bites for everyone.
Ah!
I tried really, really hard.
Yeah, and you did good.
I got him in teepee.
Yeah. But I'm wondering if we put the big end up, maybe it'll
Try
bring
that.
down.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Oh,
Sorry.
that's what I say.
Yeah, I haven't said that in so long. I don't know why. Just immaturity. Amazing. Amazing what us women can do. Amazing what women like I can do just watching. I learned so much. Lucretia took off, took her van, went to the woods to get us some wood for a fire.
And when Christian told us how the winds are like a flag,
I already lost a chip a minute ago.
it's coming out of the...
So this is our last full day, and we just brought out all of the taco stuff that we had left over from last night, and everyone is having lunch, and I'm going to be cooking a little dessert a little later, and I will let you guys see it. So this is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 5 days without a shower, and this is 5-day hair. And let me turn you guys around so you can see what everybody's doing. We are only down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 vehicles. We started out with 25. It was 25 to 27. Great group.
Stuff that smells like smoke. And you can get the big ones for like
And that's Doris's lunch right there.
keto lunch.
I'm gonna have a blast because then I know all these gadgets and gadgets I love.
So we have Marcia and Kathy taking all the brush and getting it ready for the fire. Some of us over here are scared to get near it because of critters and ticks and stuff like that. Me, of course, I'm just lazy. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. There might be a spider in there. And if there's a spider in there, you guys know I'm going to like freak out. So we all moved our vehicles. We formed a little wind tunnel here to stop the wind. That's Doris right there, one of the nicest people in the world. I love her. She's the look. She just did a heart for me. I love you too. All right, I'm gonna go sit down and get warm.
Do you have just your cats? You don't have a dog?
No,
Oh no, you're allergic. You can't.
we're cat.
Cats, you know, when they run away. What's the point? I'm going to bed.
It sure is. That feels wonderful.
Yeah, it does. I can feel it over here.
Do that every few minutes.
So guys, I have to say that this has been one of the best meetups. I'm a little biased. This was my meetup. But we have had so much fun. I have had so much fun because of these women, these incredible women, my friends, my sisters. I love them all so much. We've had such a good time. But right now we're all around the fire. We didn't do much today, which was absolutely perfect. We just sat around the fire. We ate, laughed all day. It's been wonderful. So we're gonna sit around the fire a little bit longer, and then we're gonna call it a night. And then tomorrow, that's it. Off to the next one. So I just wanted to say, I'll say this now instead of tomorrow, okay? I'm just gonna say goodnight and goodbye, and thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And ring that little bell. No. Hit that little bell below, and you'll be notified every time I have a video come out. So that's it. Bye guys, and we will see you in the next video. I don't know. Oh.
She can actually sit in the chair in the middle because it's already there. Don't fall or it's going to be on video.
Ugh, okay. This will be a meetup I haven't fell yet. Oh, Barbara can sit there.
Standing in the back.
Oh, should I sit there? Let's get closer. These guys. Sit there. We'll be out of focus. That's a perfect spot. It's just a little, perfect for that little chair. That's an amazing.
There's something out there.
Oh, yeah.
Something big.
Little. That's very odd present. We're gonna get a suntan.
Hi, Maggie Lou. You want to come sit with me? Come, baby. Come here, puppy. You're gonna sit. Sit. Come here, baby. Sit. Good. Good. Stay right there. Your mom's right here. Stay right here.
I need my spinning balls.
That's what I like.
Do you remember what is it?
I remember it's American Golf.
American Golf.
But I couldn't find it.
Nobody.
All right.
You want to sit there? Good girl.
Yeah.
You're gonna
See,
get Maggie's
just to let you chatterboxes know, I'm videoing it anyway, so it's all in there. So do whatever you want, because it's going on at the end of my video. It will be at the end. Everybody gets to watch you act stupid. So go ahead.
Sit down, baby.
You want someone to you can use this one if you want.
I'm melting.
Val brushing her teeth is perfect. I'm serious. Yeah. I love it, actually. I think it's hilarious.
That's a good spot. That's a good spot, but now I got a back. Good Lord. Now my dog is going to do it.
Yeah, turn around. Turn around. It's cooler, guys. Look at everybody's butt, guys. Look at everybody's
No,
butts.
this one here is licking me all over.
She's saying I'm good.
She is being good.
You can't
I'll
use
get her head
that.
up here
I
when
will not
she's
give
on.
permission. Let the butt wiggle. Oh, that's right. Yeah, we can.
Too late. Too late. Too late. Okay. Michelle, go anywhere you want.
She's eating my hair. Are we ready?
Yep, everybody's fitting.
Okay. I'm moving up.